So finally guys, we have a Flatsome theme customization complete tutorial. In this complete tutorial, we will learn from the beginning everything how you can create an e-commerce website using Flatsome theme and how to customize the Flatsome theme, and also we will explore the Flatsome theme features, how to import a demo in Flatsome theme and many more options. And also we will explore how to customize Flatsome theme using their UI editor. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So as always, our first step, we will install our Flatsome theme in our WordPress website. If you not yet installed your WordPress website, I will recommend to first install your WordPress on your hosting platform. But if you're still looking for better hosting, or if you want to host your website with us, we have a cloud hosting which is very fast. You can contact us and we will able to assist you for your e-commerce store. To install the Flatsome theme in WordPress, we have to visit option appearance and click on themes. When we visit on the theme section, and we have to click here add theme, and you have to choose your Elementor theme file of a Flatsome theme. Make sure you purchase your Flatsome theme from Elementor Market. I will give link in description for the discount. And next step, once you upload, activate your theme. Let me show you how the setup widget look like when we first time install Flatsome theme. So if I go to Flatsome and click on setup widget, and this is the setup widget. If you are going to install Flatsome theme for first time, you have to go through setup widget for Flatsome. So let me click here, run the setup widget, and next step, it will ask you to activate your Flatsome theme. In this step, we have to set up a Flatsome child theme, which is optional. But if you're going to make any changes to the theme source code, please use the child theme rather than modify your main theme file. So I will recommend, if you're going advanced or deep customization into Flatsome theme, you have option to install your child theme, so it will protect your layout and all your design environment. So let's click on create and use the child theme. Let me skip for now this, and next step, it will ask you to install some of the default plugin which required by Flatsome theme. We have to click continue and it will install all the required plugin, as I already installed those plugin earlier. So I'm just showing you the setup widget how it works. So let's click on continue, or you can skip this option, but I will recommend to install all the recommend plugins. So in order to our Flatsome theme work properly, next step, we have the option to install our demo content. It's time to insert some of the default content for new Flatsome website. You can choose if you would like to install also the default demo forms, post pages, blog submissions, products, portfolio, navigation. Then you have to check all the option, otherwise you can skip this option. So let me click on continue. Let me skip this one. I already installed the demo content. Next step is very important. You have to upload your company logo or e-commerce website logo by clicking on upload. And the next option we have here to choose our demo content style. I will recommend first you have to review Flatsome theme demo. So if I go to Flatsome website and let me review, these are the demo content from the Flatsome theme, and you have to choose which type of demo you like and you want to import. So example, I'm going to install the grid style or mega shop. Then you have to check from the options and match the design which one you like to import. So all these we have option. Note it work best on new fresh installation. So If you're installing this demo for first time, I would recommend to install on fresh WordPress website. If you're building your e-commerce website from the scratch, I will also recommend to keep watching this video till end so you don't miss any part of this video. You have to choose one of their demo and click continue. Let me skip this because we will use the UI builder in order to build our page, and I will also show you what are the options you will get and how you can customize your pages also. Agree and continue. So this is the final step. You can click on view your website. So we have our website which does not include the images, but don't worry, we will install all the images, and we will make our theme look professional. So one more thing is important here. When you install your demo content, make sure you have to configure your WordPress setting properly. For that, we have to look for some basic setting in order to our demo content work perfectly. So let's go to setting, click on permalinks, make sure your permalink set to post name. Sometime the image is not showing which we install or import via demo content due to your permalink is incorrect. So you have to select on post name and click save changes. So this is just to show you, if you want to go with the demo content, it will give you structure of your website design, but definitely you can build your own custom pages using their UX editor. So first, let's check out what are the options in Flatsome theme we got here. Let's click on Flatsome and click on theme setting. So you have to configure all the theme settings correctly. So once we done all the Flatsome basic settings, and then we will move to design or customize our pages. So you will understand in the Flatsome theme what type of customization option you will get. So let's click on first option, header. If you want to customize your header completely without using their demo header, you can build your own header also. Then you can remove all the content from the bars if you don't like to keep any of their widgets like pages, search option, logo. We will definitely change our logo, and also the mega menus, and I will also show you how to design the drop down menus. So you can follow the header customization row here from the present. In the present option, if you like any other header design, you can choose from the option, or you can try out different design for your header from the options by clicking on them, and your design will immediately change for your header. So first you might like any of the header design. First, I will recommend to choose that design. Example, I want to keep this design, so I have choose here the last design. You also can choose any other design if you like, and we will customize later on. If you want to go with dark, there are some options for the dark, so I will keep this one. Let's go back from the present. Make sure when you choose your header design, click on publish, so your design of your header will be saved. Next option, logo, site identity, top bar, header main, all the option we have here, but you can follow the UI header builder here. This is very easy to use this header builder. Just you have to drag and drop the elements inside these boxes. If you don't want any of their elements, or if you want to remove something, just hover on that and you will able to drag back on the last row. For example, if you don't want to show the search form, just to drag back on the last row search form and it will be removed from here. If I want to add the search form again, just I will drag in the middle row. This is how it is easy. Now it's visible, but you can again, you can customize every section like top row, middle row, or bottom row. So there are 3 rows in the header, so you can follow one by one. Let's start from the top row of header where we have HTML1. Let's click on it, and we have a header block. If you want to use any header block, pre-built block can be added in the page builder. Select block if you want to select any block, or you have option here HTML1, because you can see here HTML1 is used. So inside the HTML1 there is a value. You can use your HTML code to display any text here. If you want to just display the text here, just you need to replace from the option here, add anything here, or just to remove it. Do not delete these HTML classes. Start a strong class uppercase, because due to these classes your text is visible and in the uppercase. So I will recommend you, because this is the HTML structure, you have to keep as it is. But inside where there are some words, you can change the words from add anything. You can see here what words, then you can select from the words if you want to keep this element. Otherwise you can drag it back. We don't need it, and it will be removed from here. Instead of it, if you wanna just we have some pages in the top row about our store. Just you have to look at here what element used in the top bar right side. Instead of right side, you can drag to the left side here. The pages will be show here in the left side. I wanna display in the left side. That's good. And I will click on top bar menu option, and I will able to change my menu. You can also change your menu by visiting your website appearance option. Let me go to appearance. You can change your menu by visiting appearance and menu option. When you go to menu option, you have to just select your menu. Secondary means footer menu or main menu, this way. Or you can go back from the header builder. Just you have to go back and go to menu option, menus, main, and here you need to, but we need to change this menu. This is the secondary. We have to click secondary, and there is a about our store, blog, contact, FAQ. This is the secondary menu. You can just click add item, and boom, just this way you can add more items to the top bar menu, which is a secondary menu. If you want to delete anything, just click on the menu item, remove from the top bar, because in the top bar we used secondary menu. So let's go back to header, and when you click back to header, it will also automatic open the header builder. Now I have some of the example. You want to display button somewhere in the downside, you will see option not in use. That means these elements not in use, we can use it. We have a button 1, button 2, social icon. Example, you want to display social icon in the top bar right side here nearby the account. Just to drag the social icon near the account. Now we have a social icon. But sometime you want to make any section little bigger. Example, the top bar showing very little. You want to extend, or you want to increase the height of top bar. Just to click hover on the top bar, you will see setting icon, and where you can uncheck or check your top bar. Okay, when you uncheck and check again, there is the option will be open as height. You can increase your top menu height. Example, this way. I will recommend to keep it within 30 to 40, 45, 50, not more than that. This looks good. Same way, you can choose also the text color and background color also for the top bar. And then you have an option navigation style. You also can choose navigation style of button styles. Try out different. And then option uppercase, add overlay on the hover. When we hover, it will add overlay. Nav menu height, nav height. So this is for the top bar. Now top bar we have here. Let's click on example. You wanna make setting in the social icon. You need to add your own social icon. Hover on the social icon. Where, look at the element social icon. You will see little setting button. Click on the setting button and choose first your icon styles. And downside, you will see Facebook, Instagram, and put your correct URL here. You want to enable TikTok, just to put anything inside the TikTok and it will be visible here. So you have to put all your social media links in the option. Let's click on the account option setting. You can choose account icon first and then show label or login style lightbox. If I click on it, it will open lightbox. How this lightbox work, let me show you. I will open into new tab, so you will able to see how this lightbox works. Okay, so if I click on the login, it will open. This is we call lightbox. The box, it will open box. This is called lightbox, but you can also choose the link. If you don't want to use lightbox, you can use the direct link. Someone click here, they will go to login registration separate page, not a pop-up. For the pop-up, keep use lightbox. So register label, I want to show, definitely I want to show register label. If I show you right now, there is a no registration label here. Why is that? Let's fix this issue. For the registration, you must understand you need to enable the registration in the WordPress backend. For that, we have to go to setting option and click on general. In the general, make sure anyone can register should be enabled. This way, people visit your e-commerce website, they will able to register and purchase the product. Let's click on save changes. Okay, so after that account, we have a cart option. Let's click on cart setting. You will see little icon, setting icon in the elements. Select your cart icon design, and then you can also set your custom icon for the cart. You have to select the image of your cart icon, and that's good. You wanna enable show cart total or disable cart title. You can show or disable them. Mini cart content, auto reveal mini cart, I will recommend to keep it enabled. Show quantity input, if I click on the icon of cart, let me open into new tab here. It will also show the total. If I go to add any product, let me add any product in the cart. So that's why some of the elements not working, because our um, shop is not set to public yet. So that's why also we are not able to get any product in the cart. So we will fix later. So after you set your cart icon and set up your mini cart content, show free shipping if you want to disable in the cart. So these are the setting for the mini cart. And you can also add custom content after cart. So this is for the mini cart. Mini cart open in the sidebar here. I will show you later on how mini cart show. You also can show cross sell product in the mini cart drawer. Here it open. Return to shop, but if we have product right now, it show also the quantity also show free shipping. Also, it will show cross sell product in the cart drawer, mini cart drawer. You also can set custom width for it. So publish. Let's move to middle row where we have a logo. You also can follow the your mouse. Nearby the you have to bring your mouse cursor on the logo. You will see option logo. Click on it, or you can follow the middle row for the logo. If you not yet have logo, you can display your website name here. It display also name. You can display your tagline, and then you have option logo position. You can bring your logo to the middle if you want. Logo image, you have to select your logo here. Logo image, light version of logo image, so you have to also use the light version. Logo container width, if you want to make logo a little bigger, you can adjust your logo. And then we have a logo padding. I will use little bit padding. Logo link, you can in the logo link you can put your homepage link, or you can also leave it blank. Site icon, always I recommend to set your site icon. Site icon always visible in the Chrome browser or any other browser when we visit any website. So this is the about the logo. If I remove the logo, it will display now my site title. Let me make it Preet ecom. So if you not yet have logo, you can use your website name. Scroll down, you can adjust the width. You can adjust the padding. But if you have a bigger name, you have to increase the middle row. How you can increase? Let's hover on the middle row, main header we call it. Click setting, height, increase the height little bit. So our um, website name clearly visible here. If I close the sidebar, so let me fix little bit. You also can add shadow, divider, all things. So let's here adjust padding. You can adjust the padding, but it's for the logo if you have logo. But if you want to use your site name, so I need to little bit decrease the middle items. So if I scroll down, nav size, and we have a nav height, nav push. Let's push little bit nav for nav menu, and then we have a transparent header option. So let's move our logo here. Let me click setting. Okay, here logo header width. You can adjust your header, middle header. If you not yet have a logo, if you have a logo, you can easily just upload your logo in the logo option. Select your logo image. You can select your logo image. That's all. You don't need to then use your site title. Let's talk about the form. The form is visible here. So you can click on the form icon and you can choose the icon for the form. Lightbox, it will open lightbox like that. So even people will able to search the product. You can choose other icon. Drop down, you can also set drop down. If someone search the product here, there will be drop down. like that. So let me pick any product name, Osaka. So now there is a drop down product. If you want light box, now I select light box. Let's search again. If I now click on search, it will open the light box. Placeholder text, search here, or search product. Search category, you can also enable search category. Header, form width, you can decrease the width of form if you want, or you can keep it on 100% for the form. Let's click on publish. Now I need to put my logo inside. Let me quickly, if I have logo, just to show you. Okay, let's try use this logo. Now we have logo visible. I will uncheck display the tagline. Let's increase little bit width. Yeah, perfect. This is how it is easy to set the logo. Now after this, let's go back to the header again. Now we have, let me go to the home page. Okay, now we have a third row, which is bottom row. So third row, there is nothing, but these elements are visible. This is actually in the main home page section. So the bottom row is empty right now. But if you want to use anything in the bottom row, example, you want to display button. Let me try to drag button in the bottom row. Bottom row is somewhere here. Now we have a button. I want to show vertical menu. Let's drag here. Now we have a vertical menu. If you want to display vertical menu, instead of the middle menu, you don't want to display menu here in the middle row, you can delete from here. Okay, just to drag it down, and search form, I want to make it here. Yeah, full width search form. Now this way, this looks good. But instead of drop down category, you can use the full width category. So let me delete, bring back the vertical category. Now I will drag here uh, the category main menu in the middle of bottom row, this way. Or you can also display the search form downside. You can display the menu. Just you have to swap these things. Yeah, we can increase the width of this element, no worries. So this way you can display different things. So let me drag the main menu here, and then search icon. This is only icon. If you want to use only search icon, you can also use, instead of search form, use the search icon. Then now I can also display here. I can display something else like promos, any other pages, but I want to keep the vertical menu also. The vertical menu will be here now. So this way you can design also completely. It depends on you guys what type of element you want to use. Button, I want to move my button near the social icon here. This looks good. Let's click on bottom row setting, height. You can increase height on bottom row, and then you have a nav height for the menu. Nav size middle, small, and then add overlay on hover. You can also choose the color, nav color for your menu. So let's click publish. Now we have a lot of elements: checkout button, vertical secondary menu, language. Example, you want to enable the languages display somewhere. You can display just to drag the languages. I want to drag here near the button. The button I will also bring down. Yeah, here. Now looks perfect. Or you can bring the account and the cart items downside. Let me drag back. I will recommend to keep your account cart item in the middle always. Here, this way. And you can change these colors of your icon. So let's click on account. And now let's change icon. Yeah, perfect. Cart setting, change icon. Yeah, perfect. Downside, you can change its width if you want. So now we have a language in the middle, then menu in the bottom. You can use definitely vertical menu. So after the header, let's move to next option here, style. You can change your website style, typography, colors, typography. If you want to change font design, you can change completely on your website from the options here. Headlines, these headlines, you can change other font. It will be changed right way. Yeah, this way. I want to choose something else. It will apply to whole website for the headings, and you can follow here heading for the base. You can use other base means that text somewhere on your website, not a heading. Base navigation color for the navigation color. So let's choose navigation color, something else. Now navigation color, navigation font has been changed. Also here navigation font has been changed. And then uppercase, normal, button uppercase. You can choose all the settings here. After typography, we have a colors. You can set global color for your website. You can match with your brand. So let me choose primary color, something else. My primary color is dark red here. Okay, publish. Now primary color set, secondary color you can set also secondary color, and keep scroll down. You have a type, base color, link color. Somewhere there is a link, tooltip color. All the colors you can change from here. Okay, after the colors we have a global style. This is for the button radius. Okay, you can skip this. Custom css for the design or style. You can get help from ChatGPT if you wanna use custom css for the design, for the style. This is for the style. Drawer and light box. So if I open light box, if you have option use multiple gallery on the page for the drawer and light box. This is the for the light boxes. Next is blog. Let me open my blog anywhere. Let's click on blog page. So this is the blog page. How blogs look like in archive. Let's click on blog archive because this is the blog archive area. Let's click on blog archive. You can choose now post layouts. You can set as list. So let's click on globe layout. If you don't wanna use sidebar, you can disable the sidebar. You can follow, you can click blog layout on the hover. It will open automatically the settings. Transparent header. If you This is only if you have a transparent header, then you use it. Blog homepage header, you can put your HTML code here. And then if I enter anything here, it will be, so let me show you where it display. It will be display here. You can set as bold color or blog, any information you can display here. Blog page, You can get this blog homepage header from ChatGPT in HTML format. If you want to display here anything. Sticky sidebar. The sidebar will be sticky upon the scroll. As you can see, even I scroll the blog post, the sidebar is still sticky here. Then you have to check this option, sticky sidebar. Sticky mode should be CSS. You also can use JavaScript. It will use a JavaScript to make it sticky. But CSS is good. When you scroll down, it will be sticky. If you want to change item in the sidebar, just hover, and in the sidebar you will see sidebar visits. Click on it and you can change all the things here. About, click on it and you can change about. And next element, recent post here. Recent post, you can see here. If you want to delete anything, example, you want to delete recent post, just click on the recent post, scroll down, you will see remove option. Remove recent post, recent comment removed. I want to display product example in the sidebar. So let's click on add visit. You can set categories. Let's select category. Now category will be display. You can name it categories for the post. If I go further down, we have option product list. So I can display now my product also in the sidebar. Someone read the blog post, they will see also the product, trending product. You can make it. You have to change this title, trending products. And now we have trending products in the sidebar. Then you can also drag it upper side after the about. Here, sidebar. So after the sidebar, we have also the layouts. Let's click on again layout to see other options for the layout. Scroll down, you have option post layout. 2 column if you want a column wise, 3 column for the post. The post will be show in the columns. You can set as list or normal will be good. List also good. Blog post will be show in the list, beautiful. And you can also set to normal. 2 options are good. If you want to display images, you can select normal, otherwise list is good. The image will be smaller here. More detail. If you don't want to display the description here of blog post, you can uncheck show except only. Only title will be show. And then depth, you can adjust the depth to make it beautiful little bit. Okay, add some shadow. Beautiful. So you can use the depth 2 or 3. I will recommend 2. Post layout is in the center or left side. I will use left side. Left side good. Now we design the layout of our blog. Let's move to single layout, single blog. Let's click on any blog post. So this is the single blog post. Let's click on single blog post layout. If you want to use the sidebar still, you can keep the sidebar, otherwise choose no sidebar option. So we don't have any sidebar in the blog post. Downside, you have option to choose the header information. We have a categories, post, admin name. You can uncheck meta. It will be removed. Feature image, if you don't want to display this image in the blog post, uncheck feature image also. Only blog post will be displayed. Share icon, there is a share icon. I want to keep this share icon. Author box, the author image will be here. Next and previous navigation, next and previous, keep it. That's all. So these are the single post setting. Next, let's quickly go to WooCommerce option. This is for the WooCommerce setting we will do in the WordPress side. Layout option we can check. Layout actually is for your whole website design. How your website layout should be visible or look like. So if I close the sidebar, this is the box style. Some of the element box style, but we can fix when we customize it or go to layout. You can increase the container width up to you can increase like 1200, and you can see here the changes right away. And now this looks perfect, but you can increase it to up to 1600 if you want to make little bit wide layout. And you can see here we have a complete wide layout which looks beautiful for the any type of wide PC or normal. If you like to use the full width, actually full width look beautiful with the images. We will add images later on. So I will use 1600 maximum width. We cannot use more than 16 because nowadays there are maximum 1600 pixel pieces. You can increase or decrease the container. You can also use boxed layout option. It will be like boxed. Whole website will be like boxed. Framed, it will be in the frame style. But I will use the full width option. Okay, that's all. Next option after the layout footer, we will design the footer later on. If you want to design late footer with the option from the sidebar, or you don't need to choose any option from the sidebar, just to hover on your website homepage, hover on any element you want to change. Just you will see with the shadow little every when you hover your mouse anywhere, you will see blue color with the options. It will open same setting. Example icons, you wanna change, you have to open the icons, sign up for newsletter option. Vice footer widget number 2, click on it. Widget number 2, element 5. Okay, so these are the elements. Footer 2. About us is first, latest post second, tags is here, third, fourth is here, newsletter. You can follow these row from here or here. So let's click on about us and choose your UX block. Or UX block meaning you have to choose your page. UX block can be added with UX editor or builder when you hover over them in front end. If I hover here, I can change them. If I go to next option, latest news, you can change or remove anything. We will look all the footer setting later on. So we have left footer setting, page, portfolio, menu, some of the basic setting. Actually, most important setting, header style or footer style, layouts, pages option, portfolio. We will do all these settings. So first, because we have to design the front page first, then we will move to footer. So we have to go from the top. So let's move to our home page. We are going to customize our home page. If you want to use pre-built UX blocks, actually you have option here, UX blocks. You can click on UX block. You can use or customize these blocks and use anywhere on your website. Example, if I show you earlier when I customize, let me go back from the option. If I click customize again, if I go to footer, click on the footer and click on the first item, you will see here UX block selected here. Same UX block you can make here. UX block selected is about us here. Now I can change my about us info, add it with the UX builder. So this is something similar I did with Elementor. Let's click on edit with UX builder. Now I can change my about us here. Click on text. I will able to, or double click, and you can change your about us here. The same about us here. The title you can change directly from here, but UX block is only text. So you have to just change this text about us and click OK from here and publish, apply. That's all. That's all. Only the work. And update. Don't forget to update your text. And the social icon you can also change from there when you edit your UX block. Click on icons and it will show follow icon. Let me give it title follow, and you can see it show follow now button, follow text here, and the follow icon just to provide the Facebook, Instagram here, or you wanna enable X, put any element, X will be display as icon. That's all. Visibility, keep on. If you wanna only display on the desktop, you can choose desktop. Only for mobile, you can choose option. That's all. After the about us, we have to check all other UX blocks. Shop category slider. These are the UX block. How we will know where these element used? We will know these elements where it used when we customize our home page or any other page. We will check if there is a option similar to this UX block used when we customize any section. If I see UX block selected, that means this is a section built with the UX block. Now let's move to pages. Click all pages. So all the pages I need to ensure here I have all the pages. Let's move to option. Next, shop demo, grid style, mega shop is the front page. So we have to first find the front page and then we will rename all the other pages. We will check every page what type of page is that. First we have to customize our home page or front page, which is mega shop. I don't want to keep it name mega shop. Let's quick edit first and name it home page. Home, paste in the slug home as well. Update. Now my home page updated. Now I will click edit with the UX builder. So we will customize our home page with UX builder. Let's click on it. Now it will open our home page. Now we can customize any section. These are the section inside, as I explained earlier, when we customize our header. This section comes with the page, free shipping or return. This is the, now we can customize any section. We can add image, even we can use more element. I will show you everything. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please request and you can subscribe my channel, like and share my videos with your friends. I really appreciate. So I bring more nice tutorial for you time to time. So now let's move from the option 1, banner. Let's click on banner anywhere. Anywhere you can click. And you will immediately see option 500 pixel is a layout. This layout is 500 pixel. Height is 500. Side effect. You can add effect, zoom in. So when you open, anyone open this home page, the slider will be zoom in effect. There is an option image. I can click change media. Now I can change any. Right now I don't have image, but I can select some of the image I have already just to show you. So now we have this image. We can further make changes. Example, the text is not visible. I will show you. There is a color overlay. Just let's click on color. I can add little bit color. Click choose overlay. I can add little bit overlay. Choose overlay. Choose. Okay. You can drag anywhere uh, to add overlay. I wanna remove the overlay. You can add overlay If you don't have image, you can use overlay. And then we have a parallax effect. Effects, let's add show effect. This is the effect. There are beautiful other effects in the in the in the theme. You can use sparkle, rain effect, position. Then we have a border top. We are not going to choose anything, but you can add border if you want to add border in the bottom, or example, you want to add border in the bottom. So I will put value in the bottom like 22. There is a bottom now, and you can add bottom anywhere, or you can cancel it. Link, if someone click here where they should go, we will add link to the button also. So this is a setting for the banner yet. We will move to this title later on. We have a option, you can also display the video here. Instead of banner, you have to put the link of video here. The video will be display instead of banner. If you have any product video, you can display it. Sound, you can enable the sound of video, or you can also disable the video sound. So these are the setting. Now this banner, where it should visible, it visible now on the mobile phone. In the sidebar right side here, you have option, you can check for the mobile, tablet and desktop. Example, you don't want to display this element or banner or image in the mobile. Just I will select in the visibility only for desktop. The section completely removed, because I do my best always to explain in friendly way, where you can customize your shop yourself and make it beautiful. Let's click on now title. When I click on title, there is a HTML used, or you can open text editor. This is very easy, guys. Just you have to change these things. Just to change the header. Welcome to Preet ecom 5 key component. Okay, after you change, click OK. Immediately it changed here, right? Now let me make it visible. In the text color, you can choose any dark color, so it become visible. You also can add font size to it. If you want to make it little bigger, font size, just increase the font size. Height line, you can adjust the height line. You can align it middle or right side. Okay, these are the setting for the title. Let's click on button, and instead of browse now, let me make it shop now. And scroll down, you have option color. I will choose secondary color. You can choose primary, secondary, or you have other option for the color. Style, you can choose button style, simple, or you can keep it default. Size, large or extra large button size. Animate, you can animate this button if you want. Radius, expand, you can expand it little bigger. It will align to the title. How much in the space these elements like text or title heading, so it will be exact same size. This button, it will expand. So you can add icon also for the shop button. For the icon, let me choose from here shop or gift. Okay, position left side. Okay, and now that's all. Apply, update. Don't forget to click update. So if I show you this particular slider, these are three slider. You can add as how many slider you want to make it slidable. If I click next, these are three sliders. In the upper side, you will see option slider and banner one, next banner and banner. You can add this way more banners. Let's click on second banner. You can see my mouse here, second banner. And we have now second banner. We are going to add first image by clicking anywhere on the image or this element, and there is a image option. So let me choose any other image by clicking here, change media, and I'm going to change any image just to show you. For this particular next slider, let me choose this image and click on use this image. So for the tip, let me give you one tip here. When you're adding any images, always try to add images, WebP images, instead of JPEG or PNG image, which comes with the heavy sizes. If you use WebP images, your website overall performance will stay stronger. So this is my image. And image size, if you wanna get high resolution of this image, make sure you select here original. So it will bring the original size of this image, and click on apply, update. Next, we are going to change latest fashion news. So let's click on title. You can double click, it will pop up another window to change this text as similar to banner 1. Same way, you have to click on banner 3 and change this info. Also in the sidebar, we have a sales end and banner. And again, for the side banners, you can add same way images, click on text and change same way the text on the sliders on sidebar banners. If we see here option browse now, if we click on browse now, and it will option here text to change the first you have to change text, and scroll down, you will see option link. Inside it, you have to put link. You want someone click this link where they should go. You can enter that particular link. For the countdown timer here, click on it and you can work on countdown timer. You can select a year, month, and you can make it dark. It will become dark, and you can increase its size, and you can select the text, style text or clock. I wanna keep clock. And there is next summer sale, click on it and change this text. Sometime you will see css code, but you can click open text editor, so you will able to easily change it. If you don't know how this class work or css work, always use text editor. Let's now move to start adding our product to the first section, bestseller. Click on it, and this is the section best seller, but you can see there is no product showing. First, I want to change this from our best seller. You can change anything in the title, trending products, and scroll down, and you will see option browse all. For this button in the side, you have a button browse all, and you can put the link of this particular trending product. Let me click here, downside, and let's add our products. So let me, this is the banner, grid item, so title. Okay, let's click on product. You can follow the sidebar. This is a structure of sidebar, how our elements designed. So this is the title. If I click on product, so where we will able to change or you can double click on it. Now I will able to select my product. You can add post, or you can also choose categories. So this is the for the uh, uh, products. You want to show products. So let me scroll down and choose the category. Okay, so let me choose any other category. So these are the product we have now. Okay, so now you have a multiple, you can choose category or you can also choose individual product, but you will see option like post. Don't worry, so it's not post, it's a product. So this is just to get your categories of your products. And total number of product, number of post, this is the number of product. Order by title or random, you can choose here. So you want to disable quick view or any other element, scroll up, you will see option box. You don't want to show a category, just disable it, it will not show category. You don't want to show rating, disable the rating. You don't want to show quick view, there is no now quick view, but I want to keep it this. Equalize item, it will be equal in the, so if I close the sidebar, all the item equal. Sometime you have any product with a long title, it will equalize all the products. So now we can select how many product we want to display into this section. Let's click on again product, double click, open the sidebar. You can follow this structure. You can, if you don't see any product add or this choose product, you can follow our structure here. This is structure. You have to just look at example. If I click on trending product and go back from the title and scroll down where it click here, here it is, it will highlight exact downside. You have an option product, so here this product, and then we have again title, latest on sale, we can see here in the structure, also product again to add product there, again weekly feature product. In front of the title you will see trending product, that means this is the particular section. So you can use this structure and you can also add element directly from here, or you can, you want to add some elements, I will also show you how to add. So we design this section, click update. Now let's click on latest on sale just to change the title. We cannot add change choose product here. For the product again, this is for the title and this browse all button. So example, you're adding here any particular category. Example, if I have any category, if I show you, let's bag category, bags. So I will add here title bags, and when they click on browse all, they should go to bags particular category. So I will go to backend, click on products categories. So I will found my bags category, here it is. On the bag category you will see option view, right click with the mouse, copy link address, that's all. So now I will paste this link under link option, browse all, this is the text, and under the link put that particular link. Now if they click on browse all, they will go to bag category, browse all, or you can write it here, see more product, more product, this is for this particular button. So you can also change the size of this particular category name like bags. You can add icon into it, example there is icon now, and you can increase the size of this particular title little bit if you want. You can adjust according how you want. And then you have option color. Now you can also choose any particular color for this category. There is now blue color title, but you can switch back to click no color here. You can see my mouse, there is a unselect color or unselect the color. Let me choose any other icon, check mark. Okay, so we can see our category bags. So but I should because we have a only limited option for the icons, or we can set uh, any other icon like you like if you find here, but if you don't want you can just select none. Okay, so now product are not showing into the bag. First, let's check if there are product into the bag. Yeah, in the bag there are 6 product in this category. Let's click from back from this title and scroll down. There is a bag title exact under product. Click on it, double click on it. Okay, and then scroll down. Now we will choose category from the category bags. That's all. Okay, so now we have bags. Style, you can add overlay or color or non default. You can make it slider or full slider or grid. You can also make a product grid if you want. So there are product not showing, don't worry, we can fix it. Order by normal, and let me select all. Okay, now bags are showing. So you have to check if there are any product not showing, but you select a category, check into the filter post if there is any filter, apply on it. Okay, now bags are also showing. You can make a little bit changes if you want. Into the slider option, new style, let's click on circle, it will be circle. Let's click on simple to make it simple. Reveal, nav color, let's make it light color. If you have a background dark, bullet, enable. Now there is a pagination bullet. Auto slide, it will auto slide every 3 seconds. So let's wait on, and it will auto slide after 2 minutes, 3 minutes when we save and check in the front end. So you can make it auto slider. Infinite, enable. Okay, so next what? Let's always click on equalize item. So it will be equal. How many product I want to show here? 8 product. You can see our slider automatic working now. Every 3 seconds it slide. So apply and update. But next, weekly feature product. So before we go to, this is the same process for the bag and trending product for this particular category. Now let's talk about you want to delete any section. Okay, to delete it, just to right click on the section and you will see option delete. Now the section has been deleted. There are 2 gaps also. Right click, or you can keep the gaps, and let's discard it. So let me scroll down for the gap, right click, delete the gap also. Now let's add, always update your section. Now let's add something else after the product. Click on this middle plus icon to add elements. Now we have a lot of elements here. So I will able to explain you what type of a section you receive here, and you can also import via exported code if you have short codes. You can use also Flatsome Studio to get your pre-built sections. Not only pages, only we can use for the pre-built sections. So in the section, let's click on e-commerce. Example, in the e-commerce, you like any layout you want to import, you can definitely import from the option. Okay, let me give you example here. I want to add this element. Let's review. It's a hero slider block push. Let's review it. If it looks good, then we will import this particular element. This is the element. Beautiful. So we can use this. So let's click on import. Import images. Yes. Start. It will now import into our main page, main home page. So it will take little bit time and you will able to completely drag and drop it. Now we have this new section after the products. Let's add some gap between the elements. Okay, so for the gap, let me go back. Let's first update it. Let's click on the section middle plus icon and find the gap here. There should be gap. Okay, let me scroll down. Yeah, here it is gap. Just to drag it, drag the gap. Okay, let me drag the gap or just click on it. Okay, now gap is 30 pixel. You can increase it. Let me put here 44. There is a 44 now, the gap. Let me close sidebar to see. Okay, gap is good. Okay, now we have this new section, but you can swap. Now you wanna move this complete section to the upper side here. You can do so, um, definitely. Let's click on this complete section, copy as shortcode or copy options. Let's come up here, click plus icon, or you can also use copy the shortcode of that particular section. Or let's right click. Let's go back from here. Let's click side option, and now let's me find where it is located. Let me click on the section, go back from the section. So here it is. This is the slider. So there is a product gap and slider option. Let's, yeah, here this one. So we need to drag it upper side here. So we will drag it after the before the trending product. Let's drag it here. Okay, perfect. Now we wanna add it here. So there is left shop shipping. Also we will drag it. It's a section. Let's drag also after the slider. Yeah, beautiful. Now we have after banner these sections. So now we can completely customize it. Shop, discount, shipping, sport. Then we have start products and sales. Okay, so we want to add some background image into this section, sales. Let's click on it and change the media. Let me choose any image. Just to choose this image. Now we have this image. Always click apply and update. So now we have to change these text again. Just double click and change the text. You can also change the heading, H2 H3 heading. This is good for SEO to structure your page. You can start your titles from here. Example, this title, double click and make it H1 heading. Because H1 heading, this is the structure from H1, H2, H3 downside here, H4. This is how you structure for SEO your website. And let's click on these numbers, not working. Let me select 2027. Okay, now buttons, these are working. So let me choose 2026. Okay, 35 weeks. So you have to correctly put the year, month and day, even time. So the countdown timer will start work. Let's click on browse now. If you want to change the button color, just to look at layout and choose the secondary color or white color, depends on you guys. Style, you can make it underline. You can choose different style of button. Animate, even you can animate this button. Blur in, there are different options for the animations. You can expand this button. You want to make it big. Icon, you can add icon to the button. Okay, browse now. We have a limited icons, but definitely it can work. And then position right, even you can put the link here. Someone click on browse now, where this should go, you have to put under the link. You have to copy the link of that source. Then we have a category section. We will design it beautifully. So if you want to move this category section here before product start or somewhere in the middle, you can do so by click back from here. So now let's click on product category section and go back, and now see where it is located. It located and very end. So you can move it to say anywhere. You wanna add this category before the trending products where it is here. So let me drag. Okay, here it should be here. So category, then products. Let's click on category. to design our category. Make sure your category has images. Images will not show if your category does not have any images in the backend. So you have to go to in the backend, products, categories, edit example bag category, and here you have to put image under the thumbnail. Custom product layout, you can choose custom product layout. I will show you later on. Top content, bottom content, description is very important. You have to provide always description up to 160 words. Thumbnail, make sure you choose your bag thumbnail. Just to show you, update. Okay, the now category image will be show here. If I change anything, it will be show now. Okay, now we have successfully first image. This way you have to add all the images and categories. First make categories, then add images. So let's add here one title which call browse categories. So let me click plus icon and let me choose the text. Click on text. Okay, so let's make it headline. Okay, headline. Okay, so you can choose here paragraph. It's paragraph here. If it's paragraph, then choose paragraph, lead paragraph, or heading with subtitle, or just to choose heading only. And then double click on it and write here like browse categories. Click OK. Now we have a title browse category. Let's close sidebar to see. Okay, browse category, trending product, bags, and we can also see in the mobile layout if everything is correct. Browse category, if you want to make this title middle in the mobile, let's click on setting or double click on it, and let me go back, click OK, and let's open the sidebar. And text align, let's make it center for the mobile. So if I switch to desktop, it will be stay in the side. If I switch to mobile, it will be in the center. So you have to switch mobile, then make changes. Then the changes only apply to that particular layout. If I switch to desktop, and now if I make this browse in the middle, it will show also in the desktop in the middle. So let's make in the middle all the sections, trending product, and double click, click setting, and let's make it size. Actually this is the title with this button, so let me choose the element, what element it is. We can check here, title. Let's click on setting, options. So we don't have any option to make it middle because we have a button in the right side here. So this is the linked title with the button. So same way you can add also the same to upper side. You can copy the section. This same title you can copy, apply here to the categories. So how you can copy? Just click on trending product or find trending product. Right click, duplicate it first. Okay, now it duplicate. Now I will drag it upper side the product category. Okay, here. So browse category, this section I will remove. Right click, delete. Okay, so trending product, now I duplicate from here. You can duplicate any element. Instead of trending product, now I will put here popular categories. Okay, and the browse all, you can remove the browse all. Just remove the text under the link. There is a text, remove it. That will be removed because all category, if you want to display here, that's we don't need. Or you can keep here view all category. Just put the text here, view more categories. That's all. Now you have to put the which link you should put here. You should put here product archive link or shop page link where all the category should be there. Okay, let me apply update. So let's keep scroll down. Bag option, there are some limited product. Sometime you will not see any product, so you have to check your product in that particular section if product are showing. So let me update this section. Okay, so you have to make sure your product have images and correctly configure in the categories, different categories. Also you have to configure when you add or change anything in the product options, click options, and here under the filter just to try to change and your product will be start showing. Sometime the product not showing. For example, you don't want to show this section bags in the mobile phone, then you have to in the visibility only for desktop. This section will not show on the mobile. Same way you have to hide the title, scroll down, visible only for desktop. Then you switch to the mobile, this section completely will not show in the mobile. You can keep limited things in the mobile to optimize your shop. Next we have a best selling, all these things, pre-footer. This is a pre-footer we call it. So let's apply update. So we update our homepage sections. So let me click here, banner 2, banner 3. Let's add image quickly. I'm just adding because I don't have much images. I'm just adding random images just to show you guys how you can design it. Make sure you have your own images. So then it will look beautiful. After that, you want to change this image, click on the image, change this section image, and then you have option for like shop, click on it, open text editor and change it. Discount, change these things. Every section you want to change it, that's very easy. Or you want to add anything inside the page, easy also. So let's try to add something else. Now if you want to add testimonial example, so I will first you have to click the plus icon where you want to add element. Okay, example, you want to add element after this timer, then you have to use this plus icon, so it will drag here particularly. So let me find testimonials somewhere. Image box, Instagram feed, you can add Instagram images to improve your shop. Portfolio, you can add your portfolio. Pricing table, you can use it if you are selling services. You can add team members. Testimonial, let's click on testimonial. Now we have a testimonial. So left image, you can choose the design. This design I like. Yeah, perfect. In a slider, you can make it in the slider. Choose the option different and then click apply. Now we have a testimonial. Double click on it and change your testimonials. Click on the name and change your name. Name, company, there is option. Just to double click on the elements. You want to give some space between the elements. Again, you can choose the gap. Just to select downside. I want to give gap here. Select the gap element. There is a gap element. You also can add video or images, anything. I will show you. Let's click gap. Now we have a gap here. 30. Let's put it 44. Okay, now gap is good. Okay, let's apply and update. But if you want to use something from the Flatsome theme studio, click on it and you can use any type of element. Later on we will build our contact us page where we can click on contact and we can use these elements for the contact us page. Okay, if you don't want to import the demo content, that's perfect. Okay, you can build this page from the scratch, and we will build one page. I will show you later on also how to build it. So after we build, update. So we need to change free delivery worldwide. Just click double click and change it here. In the learn more, there is a, when you click here, there is a actually link. Just click add it and put the correct link and change the text of learn more. Instead of learn more, change it. Let me show you. Free delivery worldwide. Know more about delivery. I want to add this, or just keep only no more more about delivery. Click OK. Now we have this clickable. Open again and select the whole element, and you will see the link option, insert link. You can click here and put the shipping information link here. Someone click, they will go to shipping information. Same to the next section, 5000 review. Click open text editor and change here. Everything is easy to change. You want to change this image yellow, click on it and change. This is actually image. If you remove image, there is a color background which you can use change color this way. Then you have to make the titles in the white color, text color white. This is how these things work. So let's apply update. Just to show you, if you don't want to use images, you can, but I would recommend to use images, guys. Okay, so where we have these options, then we will move to footer section and change everything. Okay, let me go back from the home option. Let's click on UX block, UX blocks. Now we have a footer, about us, footer, news, sign up, and these are elements used in the footer. How we know? Let's click on customize now. Let me open the front page, customize, and click on footer. Okay, just click on about us to see which element used. Okay, so here you can see inside the about us, UX block used. Next, latest post, there is no UX block, but you can choose the number of image. You can show image of the post, show date here, and you can make changes. Example, tags, you don't want to use tag. Instead of tag, you want to use something else. You can add a widget, add widget, and you can choose whatever you want to add. Example, I want to add categories. There should be category. Instead of tag, let me remove tag. I will use category. Now we have categories here in the footer. Just click add widget, add elements. Then if I click on category, I can make it title, categories, and show post count, so history. So you can choose the option. You want to add pages. Let's add widget. Now we will select here pages, and instead of a category, because we have selected 4 column, so let me use on the number 3. These are our pages. You wanna use you wanna exclude some pages, you can select page ID, or you can exclude any page from here. Page ID, you have to use page ID. Example, you wanna exclude cart, or you can choose the page ID. How to find page ID, I will show you. Or page title, let's choose here CART, or let me find the page ID. Or you can use the menu here, secondary menu, menu, and let me drag it upper side. So we have a menu here, but we should have to choose the menu. That's a secondary menu, it should be here, and name it, click edit menu. Now select as secondary menu. Now we have these pages. So you can customize these pages right from the menu also. Okay, so there should be one title. Let me click on the element. There should be links. It should be links. Yeah. Sign up newsletter. Okay, about us. About us we cannot change. We have to choose into the UX block, as I explained earlier. Same to the button. So you have to go to the UX blocks and find footer about us. Add it with the UX builder. Now you want to add something else instead of um, text, or instead of the social media icon. You want to add one element, your logo. Click on add element. Select the image here. Let me select an image. Okay, first let's select the image of logo. Example logo. First let's make it smaller. Okay, now go back from here, and image should be on number 1. Okay, now we have image. Update. Okay, now if we refresh our home page, there will be logo here. Okay, let me publish and refresh, because we add a logo in the UX block. Yeah, there is a logo, but it's not showing. Let's make it little bigger. Click on image in the UX editor. Let's make it 25%. And image overlay, let's add some image overlay white. Okay, because our footer is in the dark color little bit. Let's refresh. Yeah, the overlay logo not showing. Let's remove the overlay. Overlay color, no color. Okay, now logo is showing. Apply, update. You can open into different tabs: UX blocks and your shop. Now logo is showing. So if you want to change the color of your footer, sometime element not showing, you want to choose other color. Let's click on footer option. You also can use a custom footer block. These are the elements. Example, you can build one single footer and just choose the footer block. You can design your footer inside the UX builder and just choose your header. Instead of designing every element, you can make here footer. I will also show you how to do it. Okay, so everything looks good. Now let's talk about how to design. If you wanna design with UX builder your footer. And now you can see here enable footer 1, there is 4 column, but you can increase these column to the 6 or 4 5 example, depends on you. But if you like this footer, you can use the same footer 2 3 column. Footer 2 you can make 4 column, or you can make 6 column of this footer. 6 column, there should be 6 items. Let's make 4. Background color of footer. If you have any question, guys, you can ask me in the comments. I will definitely try my best to reply you there. After that, there is a copyright text. You can choose that copyright text just to change copyright current year from the Flatsome theme, just to change to your own website name. This is the for the to change copyright in the footer. Enable back to top button in the footer. Back to top button and left or right side. If you want to show this back to top on the mobile, then you can do so also. For the mobile, back to top button will be show here. And then footer HTML if you want to use HTML. So now this way, this is the general or standard footer if you want to add different elements. But you can design your footer your way if you want. Then you have to choose. You can replace the footer with custom block that you can add it in page builder. Edit footer widget and footer 1 and footer 2. You can change this way also. Okay, this way you can change it. Okay, now let's move to our options. Let's go back from the UX builder elements. Let me go back. Now let's make footer. Add new block. Let's name it a footer and click on UX builder. UX builder. Click leave. Okay, now we have UX builder. So first of all, let's click on plus icon. Flatsome Studio. Let's click on here footer. Now we have some footers designs we can use. Let's pick any of these. Click import. You can import pre-built footers. So now this is very easy to customize everything in one place, and you can apply this footer to whole your website. Now click on the elements, open editor. This is very easy to change here everything instead of each element. You can do one time. Our account, my order, these are the menu. Click on it, open text editor, and here you can change these options like my order. Okay, you can duplicate it if you want, or you can step down. So example, log out. Let me add one page, one item, shop, shop. Okay, it should be display here. Yeah, shop. Let me click on it. Let me select. And then let me click insert link and let me search for shop page. There is a shop page. Let's just select it and apply. Now this will become a link shop. We have a new item, or you can click edit. You can expand full screen if you want, and then you can also change it. Example, I want to delete everything. Now I want to add from the beginning. Let's first add my account, and next should be shop. Next should be contact us. First to write all, and then select all these, and then select bullet list. You can make it bullet list, otherwise it's also good to display this way. And just you have to select each element. Example, my account, select with the mouse, insert link, and select search for that particular page here. My account, select shop, select shop, insert link, shop. Okay, and keep this way, and all will be clickable links. This way you can add all your menu information is the same way. Open text editor and you can change all the old, or you can, let me give you the tip here. This is easy to add one by one. Okay, example, you can start from here, privacy policy, and first item select, make it bullet, and now along with the bullet, same way, click on insert link, privacy policy. There is no privacy policy. We okay, let's just add any other just to show you. Select next, let's add, shop and select here, or you can keep it same way. Insert shop link. Okay, so once you're done, you want to change information, you can change this text or you can make it little bigger. 4 H4. Okay, now you want to add something else. You want to change a footer, text, copyright. Click on it, open text editor and change your copyright text here. These are the visa, this is the image actually. These are the privacy, cookies, these are the links. You want to add more links here. Just right click, example policy, this is the link. Duplicate, duplicate 3 times, 4 times. How many link you want to add, you can duplicate. But when you, this is perfectly aligned. Just now click one by one, options, privacy, and downside under the link option, just keep every link. Next, let's click on next, and it should be shop, and downside under the link put shop link. You have to provide link here, it's not searchable. So same way you can uh, add it one by one. You can duplicate any element you want. You want to add logo, click here, choose image, select media, and decrease the width. That's all. Apply, update. Now we have this footer example. Let's go back to our customize option here. Just to refresh, make sure you open customize area and go to footer. Now just select the block we just built. Name is footer. Just select a footer. That's all your work. Now we have a custom footer here. Now if you want to change anything or color, you have to always come to the UX builder and find your footer. Let me change the color. How many width? You can make 6 column, 5 column, 4 column, 3 column, 4, 5. Okay. And then divider, you can add divider to each. Keep it middle or right side. Background color, I don't want a background color. Okay. Color dark or light. If you choose dark background, then you have to color choose light always. You can add some text shadow little bit. Okay, let me go back and click on divider section. Let's click on section. So we will change the background color in the section. Actually, background color for the section always change in the first option, section. Click option, and then there is a option background. Even you can choose media if you want to add in the footer. Now everything become black. Let's click on again section, first row. Okay, row, option, column background. You can make column wise background if you want. Let's click on this text color white. Next section white. Link color should be also white. Click open editor and here select all and choose the color here, white. White, or sorry, I select the background color, not a background color. So let me cancel it. You have to click here, this color, text color. Sorry for that, text color, because we wanna make changes to the text color. Now it's visible. Next section, text color, white. Open text editor, select all and choose the white. Or if you wanna choose any other color, you can do so. Okay, this color. And same to the next section, open text editor, choose the first, choose items. Yeah, this way you can do so. And then next section, and try to choose text color. Yeah, because in menus there are links, that's why it's not affecting from the selecting color. You have to open text editor. So current form, there is a no form, but we can select a form. How to change this form, I will show you. This is the newsletter form. We choose here, apply, update. And next section is white color. You can do, you can also make it black color. Let's go back. Next, it's this section. Let's click on this whole section. Column, after column, yeah, column, yeah, divider section. This is the section. Now click options, text color. You can change the color, background color, and overlay color. You can make it overlay color if you want to add. Uh, Color layout should be white, so it will be white visible. And these sections, there should be option for the links also to make it white. But no worries, we can make it still. You can mask circle. Okay, let's click on these items, links, scroll down, color white, that's all. Or color secondary, primary, you can change color to white if you're using black color or any other color footer. So you have to completely add your logo, add your menus here. It will look perfect. Social media icons, click one by one, and here follow icon, put the links. Okay, after you've done all, you can review your footer. Just to refresh your footer. So you don't need to work on this section, different section. You can build your logo one time in the UX editor. So let's go back, refresh. So let's customize it. I think we need to again select the footer, select the footer here. That's all. I forget to publish it. So click publish. Now our new footer is ready. But there is this section is showing copyright, or you can delete one from the here. You don't need to use here if you already have. So I will delete it from the this section, complete section. We will remove it, we don't need. And then column divider also delete. Okay, that's all. So only we will keep one item. Okay, perfect. Now look, so the text color should be white here. So this section, how we can change, customize it. So this footer, so it should be footer. You can change footer color. Okay, text align, background color, let's make it white or black, match with the our color. So you can adjust this um, footer after the main footer. So this is called absolute footer. Let's check out in the mobile. So mobile looks good. When you add all the menu will be look better. Okay, after this, let's move to some other pages. Like we will set up the menu here. I will show you how this drop down mega menu works. Let's go to our backend and go to appearance, click on menus. Now let's find out. So this is the menu. First item is demo and it's drop down with more menus. So you actually have to drag these menus inside it to make the sub item and then sub menu item. This way it structure work. So page, shop page, and then we have a page. Let me quickly show you create one new menu and then we will add it as primary menu. New menu. Let's immediately select here main menu. Okay, create menu. Now I will show you how to create drop down and mega menu. Let's open our categories, WooCommerce category. So that's why you have to make sure your category are showing. Let me screen open and I will select, if the category not showing here, product category, screen options, select product category, and then product category will be start showing. Sometimes you don't see this option. So let's so you can see the structure here. This is woman item and top is the sub item. So let's first, you can choose this way, it will auto structure. If not, then we can structure it. So this woman item should top should be sub item. Just to drag little bit ahead. Same to the t-shirt and then shoes, sweater, music. Any item you want to make sub item, just to drag little bit ahead of each item. This way. Okay. So you want to make the t-shirt. Inside the t-shirt, you want to make more items. Inside the t-shirt, let's talk about, you want to add tops. Okay, we already have top, but I'm going to add this top, another sub item of t-shirt. So main is main category. Inside it, shirt is this. Inside the shirt there is another categories. So you can step ahead or each category. So let's save menu to check it. So you will understand the structure. If I hover on the woman, and you can see top, and these are the men. Inside the men, I make it t-shirt is main item and then drop item. If you want to make another example, after men there is a t-shirt, I want to make here one more shirts. Okay, let's add one shirt. Custom link, let me add custom link shirt. Add to menu. I will show you how to make a subcategory of this. I will drag here subcategory. You understand now structure. T-shirt is drop down main category. T-shirt. It's in the bold color. So the top is ahead of it. So same way shirt is one more drop down. So let's refresh. If I hover on the man, and you can see here t-shirt and shirt option also there. Shirt option, why not is bold as it is? Because there is no link I add. If I add any link or if I drag the category, exact category inside it, it will be become. If I choose product category, if I choose, let's add posters or sweater, let's add sweater and make it here exact in the front of category. T-shirt sub item, t-shirt top is another item. Now let's refresh and there will be sub menu. Yeah, here sweater, top, and this way you can make more items in the inside it if you want. What option we have in the menu? Let's click on woman. You can add your design. Even you can select or build your mega menu. If you don't want to use the structure, a sub item structure for mega menu, but you can build your own mega menu in Flatsome theme. How to build on mega menu? If you have a lot of item under the woman category, how to build it? Let me show you. First, to save our item, so later on we will add inside the woman. So first, let's go to UX block, add new block. The new block will be woman subcategories. Okay, keep in mind woman subcategory, publish right away, and then click UX builder right away. It will open UX builder. Now let's click on element. We can use Flatsome Studio and find here sub menu, mega menu. uh, it should be there. Yeah, mega menu is there. Now we can select any design of our mega menu. Let's design this one. Import with images. Yeah, we can change these images later on. So this is the mega menu of woman. Let's customize it. Woman products. Click on each element. Classic. Let's make it tops. Inside the link, select the particular category of top. Example, we want to add hoodies. So let's make it a hoodie instead of top, because the link we choose hoodies category, hoodies, and click on next item, new model. First, just to select category, bags, and now instead of new model, it should be bags. 3 item. First, select category. Let's add now leather. Leather. Next, what should be there for the woman? Party. Just to show you guys, I'm just adding it. I know it's not correct, but just to show you. Party items or party items. Okay, let me remove some other, just to keep as it is, just to show you. Now apply update. Now I create this category. You want to change this image, click on the banner and change media. Change this image. Now after I design mega menu, how we can add into the menu? Now we will go to our backend WordPress, appearance and menu. Now where we have our category. Now I don't need to add the sub item because we will design with UX editor. Then you don't need it. Just you need to drag main categories here. Main category, what that mean is only man, woman, sweater, and the subcategory you want to make. Actually, you can add only main categories here. That's all. And subcategory, because we will add inside it. This is the main categories. Woman. Now click on woman. Select UX block. We just designed. The name was woman subcategory. Okay. Save menu. That's all. Your woman subcategory is now ready to show. Refresh, and now it's not showing good. So let's fix it. So inside the, let's open again menu, design, let's make it full width. Okay, that's all. So now our sub menu, mega menu will be beautiful. You can see here, guys, mega menu is working very perfectly. This way you have to make all the mega menus. Because I'm working for Flatsome theme, I design almost more than 200 clients websites. I'm working since a long time for these Woodmart theme, Flatsome theme, X-Store theme, a lot of company I work with. And um, those are great themes for e-commerce websites. Same way you have to design your main subcategory into UX builder. Okay, so now what else? Now let me show you one custom page we are going to make it. If you want to add some custom page, add page, Let me make this page contact us page. Contact us, that's all. Publish right away, no worries. And we will click edit with UX builder right away. Now we are going to design one page. So you can, there is option, you can also insert these pre-built items. There are a lot of items like agency, shop. You can use these design to design your home page. Example, you don't like your home page design, you can change the design and select pre-build any other designs from here and make it home page. That's easy. Or you can click custom. There is no custom template. Let's click on add element. Now you can choose Flatsome Studio pre-build items if you want. There should be contact. Let's click on contact because we are making contact us page. Otherwise, you can use manually build this page. Let's click on add element, and now first section I will make it page header, or just click on it. This is the page header, contact us. After it, let's add again. There should be one image. Inside the image there should be contact us image. I have lack of images, guys. I don't have more images. Just to show you guys what you can do it, you have to put here image of contact us. You can make it smaller, no need to make it bigger, or just to select the original size 100%, or you can crop it, you can customize it. Original, you can decrease the width or you can adjust the height. Let's make it 16 by 19. Okay, let's make it 1 by 12. You can adjust the size of this image, how bigger it should display. Okay, so let's add any other item. Now we are going to add the text element with heading, subheading, or paragraph. Only paragraph, subheading, and you can add information into this, or you can use image left side, and there is a one text, one side text, and then we will use form. We will use a form. Okay, after this there should be gap. Let me first select the gap. Gap should be minimum 55. Okay, let's add image into this section and click on the elements, text editor, contact us, and change the text of these elements. If you want to make it middle, you can make it to so. After that, you can add your form here if you want to add form. If you don't want description, only the text. After text there should be one form. Let's make add element. Now we will use the form. Now we have this form not showing. Let's select the form. Okay, this is the form now we have. Let's click on image, adjust the image size. It should be a little bit bigger, not that much. Okay, let's make it smaller. Okay, perfect. We have this image should be like contact us image, like a image of one girl and calling, something like that. And then after that you want to add map. Let's click on add element, and in the elements you can use anything. There is a also map, so let me now use map. You can drag the map upper side. Okay, here map should be here. Okay, this way. Click on the map, not working. You have to put the latitude and longitude correctly to show this map correctly according to your business. After this, I will recommend to add some more item like testimonial, countdown timers, follow icons. You can add message box, portfolio also, or you can add team members if you want. Uh, So the team member, if you want to add team member, you should choose first the sections. Let me show you how. Let's choose the three sections. Yeah, here row. Let's choose row element. You can choose row element, and then inside it you can add team members inside the each element. Now let's choose image of a person. You must have image, guys. I have really lack of images. The image should be very smaller, or image of person you have to put here. Let me delete the follow icon from here. Follow icon I want to add inside it. Follow item, share icons. Yeah, here. Let's make it right side here, or make it middle, or you can make it after the map. Then you can add your team members here. Okay, just to show you in the each element, if you want to divide something into three element, always use this element. Let me show you row element. Okay, you can use row element or sections. You can use the section element, and then select the section pre-built section box with the right side element. You can use it as to display your also the form inside it. Let me show you. Let me delete this whole section. This way you can delete all everything. Now you can add also the form here inside it and select the contact form. This way you can add it and then make it contact us here. I'm doing quickly, guys. I really apology for that because our video is already longer. If you have specific question, I will able to help you with that. If you want to ask anything about the editor or any question regarding the design, then I will able to help you because I'm doing quickly because I am doing it since a long time. So let's click on the section and add the background image. Now there will be image in the background. This section is not visible clearly. You can make change the color of completely of this section. So it should be, or you can use class. If you want to use this image only this side, you can do so. You can make a background color. Okay, now I can add image. So I have selected the white color inside it. Now I can use the global image, so it will be visible now clearly. Yeah, this way. Now we can add the social media icons here. Just drag it. It's not draggable. So let's click on downside of this element and choose the follow icons. Sure. Okay. Now I can delete it. That's all. Okay. Now publish update. This way you can add design different pages. Okay. So now let's move to some other options in the sidebar. We have done menu portfolio. Let's click on portfolio. You can select your portfolio page first. If you have a portfolio, you can select your portfolio page from here. First, you have to create your portfolio page or update the permalinks. Let's click on portfolio, build the portfolio page. Let's go to pages, all pages, and to find if we have a portfolio page. I think there is no portfolio page right now, but let's click add portfolio page first. Portfolio, that's all. And here customize it again, and go to portfolio again. Now select the portfolio page we just built, or search here portfolio. That's all. Now we have a portfolio page selected. So let's click on publish. Let's go back to portfolio page here, refresh, add it with the UX builder. Now you can design your portfolio page. You can add Flatsome Studio. Let's find the portfolio if we have here. You can also use wireframes like design. So let's use wireframe for now for the portfolio. Wireframe is actually a design. It will give you a design. Then you have to put your own images inside it, these elements, and you have to select your portfolio category. But make sure you create your portfolio category, everything in the back end. So let me quickly show you where it is. Where is the option? You will see option portfolio and categories. First create your portfolio categories and add your first portfolio here. Once everything done, your portfolio is ready here, then it will automatic pull up that portfolio. If we click somewhere, the portfolio already selected, and click on IDs, you can select particular portfolios. This way you can select your portfolios. Make sure you have images inside the portfolio in the backend here. If I click on lookbook summer portfolio, add it. Where you add image, you can add image, feature image option, and publish. Now we have this portfolio with the image. It will be displayed now there. So let me show you now. If I update one more, it will be there, image. This way you can add your portfolio, and you have to customize the hero section, add image, everything same we design the home page. This will be your portfolio page. After that, edit everything here. Okay, what else in the Flatsome theme? We have media, comments, contact. Let's click on contact form. So you have to carefully create your forms here. Then you will able to select these forms. You can use MailChimp, and you can connect your account for the newsletter. But you can use the contact form for the newsletter as well if you want. WooCommerce, make sure you correctly configure WooCommerce settings. So let's go to our front end. And these are the language. Actually, to enable the language, you need these extra plugin WPML. You can use, then this option will start working. Okay, so you have to keep in mind. Let's search anything, it should be working. Yeah, everything is working. Select. Perfect. Now this is the product. So we can customize or edit the product, or you can also edit the product with the UX builder also, this way. And you can customize the sections options, but only you can customize here only the text area, I think. If I go to customize our store again, let's check out under the WooCommerce product catalog. So this is our shop page. You can design your shop page. So let's click on catalog layout, scroll down, and you can select your catalog layout, how it should look like. Right side, if no sidebar, then select no sidebar for your shop page. And then you can also select the list style with the sidebar or without sidebar. Okay, right side, you can make a sticky sidebar. It will be sticky sidebar. And then you have option thumbnail image setting, how big your thumbnail product thumbnail image should be look like. But if you want to make show little bit bigger image of your product, just increase the width and thumbnail width and height. Thumbnail width minimum keep 500 or increase like 800. So you have to increase both things. Or you can also use custom thumbnail cropping. Let's make it the ratio 7 7. Okay, this way you can crop your images, but I will recommend keep uh, uncropped, so your product image clearly visible. Let's go back to the product catalog. What options we have? How many products per page? 12. You can increase here product page. If you want to show 16, 12, one row, how many product for? You can increase it 5 products in one row, or you can disable the sidebar from here. Select the layout no sidebar, but you have a 5 product. And then product per row on the tablet 3. Let's make it 4 on the tablet. For the mobile, switch to mobile now. Select the mobile layout 3 or 2, or you can even keep one product in the layout of mobile. Okay, and then title style, we can choose this title style, this title. Even you can make it transparent header for the header. Shop title background, you can add image here. Okay, now we have image. Also we have sorting products. Custom filter text, you can set custom filter text if you want. And category box, you can choose category boxes, how they should look like. And then grid style, the price you can make middle. Grid style, actually you can use choose how should be. Product image hover style, if I hover on the image, what they should do, it should zoom. I select zoom, the product image will be zoom. Back image zoom in or blur or glow. Let's add glow, the product image will be glow. So right now, because I don't have product images, otherwise I show you. You can drop little bit shadow to make it beautiful. And now we have a shadow in the categories. And I want to show also review count, how many reviews on each product. Enable short description of product if you want short description of the products, but it look very smaller. We can fix it, we can remove it. Equalize item, I want all the item equal. This is very good option. So you have to equal all the items. Custom sale bubble tags, you can put the custom sale tags here if you want. Enable here, instead of sale, put the value. So everything looks good. Publish for the shop page. Let's now product page. Let's select any product, single product. So this is the single product. In the single product, you can see the sidebar in the left side. I can make it right side, small sidebar, right side. If you don't want sidebar in the single product page, just select no sidebar. So the clean product page will be display. I want a clean product page. Next, this title, upper side, shop, shoes. This is the breadcrumbs. If you don't want to show, you can select no, or you can also put the image behind it. Product image width, this image width 50%, you can make it smaller product image, but I would recommend at least go minimum for the single product page, minimum 50%. The type, it will be fade. The product image will be fade or slide. You can make it slide. Product image hover zoom, this is very important. You have to enable the hover zoom of the product image. Sticky gallery, you can make it sticky gallery. Even you scroll down the product, there will be sticky gallery. Native JavaScript, and then we have to do some WooCommerce image setting. Then text align for the product summary in the center or right side, this text side. So let's make it keep simple. Form style flat or minimal, and show brand image. Let's show brand image. So these are the elements you can enable on the this area, product summary we call it. So you want to display more things, share icons, these are share icons, product tab align, custom global tab content you have to put here, product upsell, these are the nice option you can put here. So before HTML, before add to cart button, this is very nice option. And what you can add here, customize trust badge you can add here before add to cart. Trust badge, like you can display here security, payment, 100% secure payment, shipping. Then you can get help from ChatGPT to generate the custom CSS for before add to cart button for e-commerce shop. After add to cart button, you can also add. These are the nice options. They give you CSS or HTML option for the single product page. Let's go back and edit the now edit product. So I will able to show you what option in the edit product. So in the edit product, we have of course a product title, short description. Let's add any product image, and the inventory option to put SKU, stock keeping unit, shipping option, linked product, extra option. You can create a bundle, bubble for the bubble. and you can custom add a custom tab title, custom tab content, or even you can put your product video. This is a nice option. You can product your YouTube video URL here. Video size should be 900. It's already good. 900 by 900. So you can enable these custom items. And custom title, you can make it like a video section, video, and put the content inside the uh, shortcode. You can use the shortcode here. You can build something in the UX builder, UX block, and you can paste the shortcode here. The same element will be visible into the product page. Let me scroll down. Okay, let's update. We will able to see it. So let's open the product. Okay, if I scroll down, there is a, you can see here, third option, video. There is nothing, but if when you add the video here, uh, extra option, if when you put here video, video will be displayed under the option video. So the you can see here one thing, the description is very smaller, also the title very smaller. Let's fix it, this option, this issue. Let's customize it. Go to style, typography. Let's check out how much is the value there, because we are need to fix it. Global style, okay. Color, let's go back. WooCommerce, single product page. Yeah, this is actually due to we select the different font. So let's fix it quickly. So we have to correctly configure the fonts, because some fonts might not might look very different. It should be in the base text. uh, yeah, navigation, sorry for that, navigation text is more smaller, but no worries, we will fix it. Let's choose the standard one. Yeah, it's great now, looking perfect. Okay, now good. Okay, now the video example, you want to display something related to the product, or you have an image. Example, you have an image of comparison of product, or if you want to display any video under this element. So how to use shortcode in the single product code? So because in the content tab we can use shortcode, they clearly mention here. So how to build this element to display in the single product page in the video tab? You can name it anything here, custom tab title. Okay, so let's go to UX block, add new block. Let's make it example shipping info. Builder immediately open. Add element, Flatsome Studio. Let's open now. Call to action. Text. Okay, example, you wanna add FAQ. Frequently ask question about this product. You wanna add, or anything else. Let me find what I wanna display there. Okay, example, this element we wanna display. Just import it. This is the timeline. You can explain about this product, how to use it, something like that. Just to publish it, just to show you. You definitely you have to change it. Now I will go back after publish. Now this particular auto draft, but let me make it timeline because it's timeline element. Update it. Now right side I have a one short code here. I will copy this short code. When you build put the title in UX blocks, it will give you short code. Now this short code I can use in the single product. So first let me edit this product. Okay, this particular product, it should be their video. So edit product, go to extra option and paste the short code. That's all. And publish changes. Let's try to open this product. If our custom tab is showing now, click video. Here it is. So we have this custom item. Same way you can use description. You can build your description also. Then you can use the short code instead of the description. Then you have to click select here short code, UX slider. You can add slider, UX banner or UX element. It will automatic drop inside this product description, or you can use UX slider or UX banner elements or shop elements. Okay, then you have to design UX blocks. Example, you want to display shop category slider. So let's go back extra, sorry for that. Let's here product description, and let me first remove all the options. I want to add short code, UX banner. You can add UX banner for the banner, or you can use format for the short code here. Let me put the short code, switch to code, update. Yeah, you can see here now our slider showing in the description. This is the slider. This is the something you can display anything you like or design, or you can make your custom tabs in the product. Okay, we have a related products. Then for this section, this is the same rule. We can design something beautiful, it display before the add to cart button. Now I cannot see my add to cart button. I should have to provide some information or enable my WooCommerce in order to, let's make it simple product. So make it price 33, sale price 11, inventory. Okay, just to publish it. Okay, now it's showing here product. The product layout option is here. Custom product layout, again you can build with the UX block. If you want to display custom product layout, that will totally display top content. Enter the content that show after the header and before the product. Short code are allowed. Let me explain you how that, what they mean. The element will display here, they said. You can design this element anywhere. You can design in UX editor, UX builder. If you want to display here before the description start, you can do so also. Then you have to put the shortcode in the bottom content. Let me show you if I want to display something. Example, let's go to UX block, find the UX blocks. We have timeline, demo. Let's make it new. Let's make the promo. First publish it, simple publish it, and add it with UX builder. Add element. Now I will add three elements or three sections. Okay, let's choose three sections. uh, yeah, here. Now let me change it. Let me copy it. You can duplicate. Okay. Okay, example, I have designed this element example. Let's apply update. Now I will go back. Now I design this element. Copy the short code. Go to the single product where you want to display this particular element. Go to option product, edit the product layout. And if you want to display bottom content, that means here it will be display here after the product add to cart here. So let's put the short, or let's try to add top content, only the short code. Now only on this product it will display because we put short code only into this product. As you can see, now this element we have here before the content. You can put here like free shipping, cash on delivery, anything here. You can design, make it a little bit smaller when you design it. Just open UX builder with the UX builder and make it a little smaller. Example, you wanna add instead of it you wanna add only the icons. Let me delete all the elements first. Sometime we wanna display payment icons. And now let's drag the image element. Now I have downloaded some of the images. I'm going to upload from my computer just to show you. These are the icons. We can use these icons to make professional our single product page. And you can use above the content or below the content. Width we will make it a little smaller. Next element, image also. And the third image I will add. Those are the some icons I have. We can use. Next element, image again. Let me select third image. And now we are going to update our elements with the images. Those we can display either on the web content or down content or even after before the product summary. Okay, let me apply and update. This will be display like that, but you can make it white color. If you have a permanent icons you wanna display on all pages, you can use WooCommerce option, product page, and scroll down. You have option before add to cart HTML. It's actually HTML. You can get help from the ChatGPT to display these elements. Let's go to ChatGPT. Now I have some short code HTML code I'm going to use, and it will display on all your product page. Let me paste my HTML code here and it will display here. As you can see, secure payment with the hover, nice hover. If you're looking for such HTML, I will give link in description. You can check out, and you can design your shop more. And I'm going to provide you more HTML copies of different elements. If which one you want, you can use for your shop. So these are the elements you can display before add to cart button or after add to cart button. So let me publish it. Now this element will be displayed on the product shop. So we can design further all the things. It take time, and we can remove now this thing. We don't need it. Just you have to go to your product, edit, and product layout. Just uncheck uncheck the shortcode. That's all. Let's refresh. Now we have a clean product page here with the elements, and you can use different more elements for your product page, single product page. Because this is the video, I'm going to create separate video on single product page, how to design. In that video I will explain everything from the beginning, and we will set up colors, make it a design a nice way, because our video is longer now. So I'm going to off this video for now. For the other videos related to this particular theme, you will find link in description. I will paste once the video is available to watch. I will provide link in description where you will able to watch it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really appreciate. Thank you so much.